this in frame? No.
Hey guys, what is up? Today we are going to be replacing our garage opener. A few months ago, our garage door opener broke. It started making odd sounds and not, doing its purpose. So we decided to replace it.
A look inside the opener revealed the gears were grinding away, leaving behind this strange white powder. Now the gears are available, but this operator was built in 1997. We don't have a remote control for it. It doesn't have a keypad to enter. It doesn't have Bluetooth capability or any of the new things. So we're going to keep this one, since we have two here, we're going to keep this one for spare parts. First thing we're going to need to do is remove this old opener, which shouldn't be too hard. It's a couple of bolts holding it together. We've already disconnected We've already disconnected it from the door. We've been using the door manually for a while until we found a good price on a new opener. So Paul and I are going to get this taken down, and then we'll prep the door. We're going to remove our control wires first. Get those out. Time. Okay, and we'll leave these here in case we need them for something.
That's out of shot.
Okay, so the motor's unplugged. So we're going to need to take, there's two bolts here. Is this in shot?
That's in frame, yes.
These two bolts here that hold it in place, and there's two bolts up at the front that hold it in place. We're going to unbolt it and we're going to bring it down. The easiest way to handle this is probably to first take off the chain. Remove the chain from the trolley or from the rail. Whatever you want. That's the rail. The other thing's the trolley. But remove the chain from the rail to make it a little bit easier to work with. The chain's going to be greasy and gross. We're going to remove the chain. And then the next thing we're going to do is pull out this pin. And that's going to let us remove this rail to disconnect it. And then we'll take the two bolts out from the other side and we'll bring the whole assembly down in one. Here on the motor end, we have a sprocket with a cover. We're going to remove that sprocket cover. So there's this motor sprocket, and then right here, I think I almost hit Paul with that. Right here is our master link. We're going to take a small screwdriver, we're going to remove the master link. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I hope you took your Dramamine before you watch. Yeah, some people have never held the flashlight, and it shows. One-handed work. There it is. You didn't think I would get it, did you? Here, you probably lose that.
No, I caught it.
Okay, knock out. Remove the master link. Okay. Wear gloves when you do this or you'll never get this grease out of your hands. It's just like a bicycle chain, like anything else. You can let that drop. Okay, you can cut. You have another master link on the other side that you're going to remove. That's going to let the other side of your chain loose. You want to be careful when you drop it, you don't hit the glass in the door. Because we are salvaging the garage doors. And I like to keep the master links, those will go in case we need them for something else. The motor end, we have the two options actually here. We have these screws that go into the bracket that hold the motor end of the operator. But there are also two screws that hold the rail into the motor.
Something got loose through there.
Yeah, the operator knew. Okay. Protect it. It's been a while since I've done one of these, Junior.
Yep.
Loosen with a 1/2 inch.
Sounds kind of crunchy.
Yeah, you don't want to go too far because you don't want this thing come sailing off. So, and I'm using an impact gun to remove these, to kind of break them loose. Woo! There it is. Don't run away, because
I was putting them aside.
This is fun to do when you're really high up in the air. This isn't bad. This is residential work. Here's a nut. Giving a nut to a nut.
Another washer.
It's on top here. I'll give it. Okay. Ooh, that's down.
Gentlemen, welcome back to Paul's Workshop. We got ourselves a Craftsman Smart Garage opening door kit, a real treat especial, an ensemble de ouvre porte de galerie inteligente. And as you can see here, here's a drawing of it. Time.
Okay, let's see what's in the box. That was very funny, Paul.
Thank you.
Attention! Confirm if your garage door requires reinforcement. We already know it doesn't because we had an opener. Okay, so this is a pretty good kit. Oh, here's some stuff you can slice up with your knife.
Hang on, move your hand.
Oh, that would have made it more fun.
I don't want there to be evidence.
We have the keypad. Oh, look, we have a chain and some type of a cable. Some kind of plastic crap.
It's like Christmas morning.
This looks like, oh, these look like the photo eye bracket. This, I don't know what that is. Photo eye bracket. Here, is that in frame? Yeah, here's the operator. You can see it has Wi-Fi, MyQ Connect. These are made by Chamberlain Company, so the Craftsmans are made by Chamberlain, they say. This was actually a sweet deal. This was $179, and it includes 2 automatic door openers, remotes, and a push button and a keypad. So this is a nice, and it's a nice red color with the Craftsman logo on it.
Geez, throw it harder. We got some instructions.
We have wires. Here's our, I think this is our big indoor button, and this is our garage door opener.
Got some more goodies over here.
I'm guessing that's what the rail goes to. The little army that connects to the door. Another piece. Of course, the instructions would tell you what these are. This looks very important. It's tiny. Don't lose it.
Miscellaneous stuff.
Pulleys. The bolt for where the chain connects. A bunch of other hardware. And hopefully there's some tracking here. I'll tell you one thing. This is not nearly as beefy as what was up there. Here's our parts, everything all laid out. There's our instruction manual. So we're going to take a look at that, believe it or not, and we're going to see where to start with. Here's a little something funny. Your opening and use of this product and software embedded in the product constitutes acceptance of and is subject to license agreement. So basically, you're clicking on the license agreement by cutting this this seal. So, ooh, we get to cut the seal. Let me have your knife, Paul. I'm gonna cut the seal on this book.
Wait, don't cut it. Open it another way. That way you can play innocent.
there. We just broke the law. No, we didn't break the law, but we cut the seal. Of course, all that really does is annoy. Oh, that might be something important. What is this? All that really does is get in the way and annoy us. Now, for some strange reason, we lost the footage of the installation of that door opener. I don't know what happened. So we had to take down, and we had part of the install, but it's here. It's Thanksgiving, and I'm clearing out the phone. So happy Thanksgiving, actually, from all of us here at Paul's Workshop. And I do want to show you guys the finished install. So let's take a look.
Now it's time to test out the door. We can open it using the phone, the pad over there, or the remote.
Yeah, and the app actually is really cool. The app is a lot better than I expected. You're good. All right, let's come in and all right, go on the other side there, Paul, and you can close it. Push the button, close it.
Can you get out or from there?
And it's a little bit loud because these light covers rattle. For some reason, it's really annoying when you open it. But I guess Paul's testing the photo eyes. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what we do here, like and subscribe. And have a happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you all again.